Hey all, what's going on, and welcome back to Street Freaks Garage. Today we're going to take you through a quick burn. We're working on some parts for the Mustang. Working on the traction bars that came on the car. That when we got it, it had traction bars on it. So we're just kind of giving a scuff sanding on those. Got them covered in etch primer right now. We're going to do a quick scuff sanding on those and then get those painted. So we're going to bring you along for that. We're going to go ahead and get the traction bars sanded so we can get a nice coat of yellow on those. Back to factory yellow. Alright, so we're going to do some scuff sanding on these bad boys and get these all sanded down. And get some paint on these bad boys. Take a second and move the door panels and the fender because we probably don't want those yellow, just saying. Of course, we have Lakewood / Mach 1 yellow, which is, you know, golden sunset. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, we're gonna give it a real light skim coat first. Little blotchy. Little blotchy. Traction bars have got to add, oh gosh, probably got to add at least 30 horsepower, I would think. So one of the biggest mistakes people make when they're painting stuff is they put the paint on too thick, too fast, and get a lot of runs in it. It's always better to do multiple light coats to make everything spread out better. I mean, I want it on thicker for protection, but if I put it on too thick, I'm going to get nothing but runs. So you got to be super careful with that. I actually think the 3 coats, I think the 3 coats are going to be enough. It's covering pretty good. Really good, actually. People talk a lot about this stuff, this 2X Rust-Oleum, but I've found It's really good paint. I mean, in my opinion. I never liked it when it first came out. I thought, I don't want no paint and primer crap. I don't know if I believe that. But boy, I'll tell you, everything I've painted with it so far has been really nice. Turned out really nice. It's got a good finish. It seems to be strong and durable. It's bright, vibrant color. Bring you in and show you real quick. There's 3 coats on this. And you can see the shine on it. And it turns out really nice. Pierce thick. Good color. Good shine. You know, I think I really dig it. Trying to get it to where the light hits it, so you can see the finish on it. It's pretty nice. Good finish, good coverage. Works really well. I gotta order the U-bolt kit, which I gotta go back and get the old U-bolts that came out of them. I gotta get the U-bolts for them and the rubbers, bumpers for them, and then they can go back on the car. So, let these dry, flip them over, paint the bottom side, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna go work on something else and maybe bring you guys along for that. Okay, so we got the traction bars flipped over, and it's time to go ahead and do the first coat on the bottom part of the traction bars. I think we got a great finish going on right now, guys. I'm gonna let this dry. Really good. I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you what the painted finish looks like, and then eventually I'll bring you in and show you what the dry finish looks like. But yeah, we're gonna put this down. Once again, this is the 2X Rust-Oleum, and this is Golden Sunset Gloss. So let me bring you in. Okay, so again, I think the finish turned out extremely nice. Like I said, I'm really leaning towards this paint. I mean, for like all kinds of parts and pieces now. The 2X just got some really strong, durable coverage. I mean, it looks thick, it looks durable. I'm trying to get the lights to hit it just right, so I can show you the finish. There's one of the lights there. And you can see it. Right on down the bar, how nice the finish is. Very impressed with this stuff. So we'll let that dry, and it tacked up pretty quick before, so hopefully with the nice new silver U-bolts and the nice black bumpers on it, they should look really, really good when they're finished and mounted on the car. But I think it looks really good. It turned out really nice. I'm very happy with it. So one thing I need to show you is I do want to show you the etching primer we used on here if I didn't already. For reference, these are the both things that we used. We used the Duplicolor self-etching primer and the Rust-Oleum 2X Golden Sunset. Those are the two that we used for the traction bars. If I had to do it again, I would probably use Rust-Oleum etch primer instead of the Duplicolor, just so the two brands match and not clash. turned out really well, guys. This is what we used right there.